AI-generated videos made with Sora 2 are becoming very popular on YouTube Shorts. Some channels have received over 180 million views in just 2 months by regularly uploading videos. Here are 2 popular topics you can easily create videos about using Sora 2. But first, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. Let's get started. The first channel we will be discussing is called Friendly Wonders, which currently has over 170,000 subscribers. Due to the ease of creating their videos, this channel has uploaded 84 videos in just 2 months since its launch. I will explain how to make similar videos, so you can start a channel like this as soon as possible. In these 2 months, Friendly Wonders has achieved over 180 million views, which is impressive. The channel primarily generates its videos using Sora AI and then adds its own commentary. Before I guide you on how to create these videos, let me quickly show you another successful channel called Wild Peak. This channel has 40,000 subscribers and has uploaded 33 videos in a short span of 2 months. One of their videos has reached 77 million views, which is remarkable, especially since it took them less than 5 minutes to generate it using Sora AI. I recently started a channel in this niche. While creating this video, the first video I uploaded received over 11,000 views within just 3 hours of being posted. After this video, I will show you the channel's dashboard to prove I'm not exaggerating. But first, let me show you how to create these videos. Step 1 is to come up with a viral idea or prompt to generate our video with Sora. Open Virlo on your computer. You can get the link in the video description below. It's going to immediately bring you to the dashboard of Virlo. Here, you are going to see niches that are getting popular, what is actually trending right now on social media, and you are going to see recently added outliers on small channels that are getting crazy views. To create your first idea, click on Generate Content over there. It's going to bring you to a new canvas. What you just need to do now is click on Social, and then the social media box is going to pop up. Go back to the channel you are modeling from and copy the most popular video URL. Come back to Virlo and paste it here. The video is going to pop up like this. I usually like adding 3 videos. You can use one if you like, but I want to make sure I get the best result when creating my own video later. When you are done adding your reference videos, the next thing is to click on Claude Sonnet here and change it to your preferred AI model. I will go with GPT 5.1. Now type this here. I want to make these random Sora videos go viral. Click on Generate. In less than 10 seconds, Virlo will generate a viral Sora video strategy. What you just need to do now is to copy the script to clipboard. The next step is to generate your viral video. Click on the Creator Hub and select Media Generation. Now that you are in the Media Generation tab, click on New Media Generation. This action will bring you to a page where you will generate your video. You have 2 options for generating your video. You can either choose script to video or image to video. For this video, we'll be generating our video using the script to video option. Simply paste the script into the video description. Then scroll down to select the number of scenes you want to generate. 3 scenes, 4 scenes, etc. For the channel we are modeling, their videos are typically no longer than 12 seconds, and they receive millions of views. Therefore, we will model our strategy accordingly. I will generate a run scene that is 8 seconds long, though it's common for these videos to exceed 10 seconds. Now, move down to the generation model. You can choose between VEO3 or Sora 2, but the best option for this type of video is Sora 2. So, I will select Sora 2. One great advantage of using Virlo to generate your Sora videos is that they will not have a watermark, which is why I prefer this tool. After selecting Sora 2, the next step is to choose the artistic style. Your options include realistic, anime, and professional 3D. For this video, we will go with the realistic style. Then, click on Analyze and Create Scene. Once the scene and setup are complete, you will need to edit the scene. Virlo does an excellent job of generating scene descriptions, but feel free to adjust the settings to fit your preferences, including camera setup, lighting, and colors. After making any desired changes, simply click on Generate Video. Give the AI some time to create your video. Once your video is generated, click on the Download button. What I've shown you is the exact process I used to create the 2 videos you see here. The first video I uploaded yesterday has already garnered over 30,000 views. I quickly made the second video using Virlo and uploaded it before making this tutorial, and it has reached about 300 views in just 10 minutes. If you take what I've shown you in this video seriously, you're sure to start seeing results on YouTube Shorts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Please let me know if you want a longer video on this topic.